Easy Car Wash, the first app that gives you a car wash in your mobile device. Life gets busy and cars get dirty. We give you a solution at the reach of your fingertips.
We find your car and send you a message with the picture of it directly to your mobile device. You receive it in the comfort of your home or office and select your service.
No membership, no cash, no prepaid charges, no waiting in line. When the service is complete, we send you a picture, we bill your credit card on record, and your satisfaction is guaranteed. Easy Car Wash, the first app that gives you a car wash in your mobile device.
Mm-hmm.